Hello again, everyone. Today I'm gonna continue the series of solving the Rubik's Cube, beginner's method. So, after scrambling it, after you solve the cross, and solving the first two layers, which I'm gonna use the shortcut here because I know I'm just gonna use it. By the way, here's the shortcut. I'll teach you later in other episodes of the advanced method or this shortcut right here. This process is also called first two layers, but it is the advanced version. Okay, so let's get started with the last layer on the edges. So first, let's twist some corners down in case, like that, and I'm gonna twist some up too, because just okay. So first, you're going to orient the edges, and after you orient the edges, you have to permute the edges. So the algorithm for permuting the edges is F R U R prime U prime F prime. So I got the dot in the middle. What? Oh, wait. Shut up, phone. Okay, so I had the dot right here, and I do F R U R prime U prime F prime, and so in this step, ignore the corners first. We are doing the edges. So here I have the L shape, which I have to do F R U R prime U prime F prime again, or you can do this. You have two ways to do it, which is have one end pointing U and one end pointing right, or one end pointing left and one end pointing back. Either way works, and it'll give you this line right here. Next, you're going to put the line horizontally, and you're gonna do the algorithm again. F R U R prime U prime F prime, and now you have to cross. Congratulations, you've oriented the edges correctly. Okay, so now I accidentally permuted the edges correctly too, which is, you know, like a coincidence, by the way. But if you get this case where you have to swap these two edges, you can do this algorithm: R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and it swaps these two. And if you want to swap the, what do you call it, the opposite ones, let's say like this, I have to swap this and this, which you have to put one on the left and one on the right, and you do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, also known as the T perm. Okay, so this wraps up our video, and if you want people to solve the Rubik's Cube, you can share this video. If you want to like this video, go ahead. And if you want to keep up with my new videos, just subscribe. And good luck, everybody. Have fun cubing. And bye bye. Goodbye. See you in the next video.